Good evening, Doctor. So we are from the section 06, and this is our project for Programming Technique 2 Tourist Management System. And this is our group member. The first one, Wang Yuting, is me. And the second one, Dan Inxi. The third one, Xing Hao. And the last one is Oh Kai Shen. So this is a photo for our group members. Next. So introduction. Inspired by the needs of streamline and automate the tourist industry, the system is designed to provide a comprehensive platform for tourists to plan and manage their trips efficiently and easily. So the next one, why we want to make this project? Because the COVID-19 has disrupted the tourist industry, making it challenging for the travelers to find safe and convenient options. A tourist management system that combines all the things in traveling that can simplify the process of planning and booking trips. At this time, Breezy Island commissioned us to make a system for them to value their islands. Thus, we need to build a system to ensure that travelers who enter Breezy Island are safe and do not carry the COVID-19 to ensure the safety of tourists on the island, keeping Breezy Island away from the pandemic. This system also should help the travelers to plan their journey conveniently, including the functions of hotel booking, cab booking, flight booking, and activities booking. In the end, we'll total out all the charge and print the total bills to help the travelers manage their expenses. So the objective of this project is to promote the tourist industry in Malaysia, to make the process of planning and booking a trip as easy and convenient as possible for the travelers, to ensure the tourists are fully vaccinated before booking our facilities in order to minimize the risk of COVID-19 transmission. So the general ideas is the personal information, booking flight, cab management, hotel booking, outdoor activities, charge and bills. So this is for the personal information details. Tourists need to fill in their names, gender, age, mobile phone number, IC, and email. So this is for our booking flight system. So user can choose the departure airport, airline, and traveler class for their journey to the islands. Okay, the next one is cab management. So user can choose which types of car they want to rent. So the first one is standard cabs for seaters car, and the second one is luxury cabs for 6 seaters car. So the hotel booking, we collaborates with 3 different hotel with different package. Okay, so we can see it here, the first hotel, second hotel, and the third hotel. So the outdoor activities that the user can choose which activity they want to join in the Breezy Island. For example, snorkeling, sailing, boat tour, paddleboarding, jet skiing, and sea turtle nursing and hatching. Okay, so in the end, it will provide the charge and bill. After the booking, it will provide a bill with bank account. So the user is advised to pay with online banking, more convenience and also safer as we don't have to handle cash or come into the contact with payment terminals. So the my next member occasion will explain the UML diagram of our project.
Good morning, Doctor. I am Okashen from Group 2, and I will going to present the part of the UML diagram of our system. So we have separated our whole program into 13 different classes, which is initial page, class customer, class survey, class menu, class hotel, class flight, class activity, class case, class bill, class travel class, class first class, class business class, and also the class economy class. So we also have implemented the association, aggregation, composition, inheritance, and polymorphism concept between these classes. So the first class is class initial page that used to display the initial page of our system. And this class is consists of the class customer and class survey. The class customer is used to obtain the information of our customer and is associated with the class survey, which the customer will fill the survey before enter the system. So the class survey is used to verify the safety of customer. And it is associated with the class menu, which the customer will able to enter the menu if their health status is safe. So the next class is class menu, and this class is used to display the menu of our system. There exists a aggregation relationship between the class menu, class hotel, class flight, class activity, class cape, and class bill. That the menu has a function that to book the hotel, book flight, book activity, book capes, and also the show the customer bills and print the customer bills. So meanwhile, there also exists a multiple inheritance relationship between the class hotel, class flight, class activity, class capes with the class bill, which the class bill is derived from the class hotel, class flight, class activity, and class cap. So the class bill is able to assess the total charge of each section and calculate the total charge. Okay, so for the flight class, it also consists of a class named travel class. So the travel class have a virtual member function named get price, and it is a parent class of the class first class, class business class, and also the class economy class. So these three classes are polymorphisms, which they override the method get price. So this is all my part for the UML diagram.
In our system, we use the modularity principle of OPP, splits the system into smaller modules to achieve modular design. We have activity, bill, apps, customer, flight, hotel, and so on, which makes the code easier to maintain and improve. Also improve our teamwork efficiency. In each class, we use the OPP encapsulation principle. Encapsulated data and operators inside the object and control access to the object by exposing the limit interface to the outside. For example, the activity. We use the private to store the data and use the public to store the function. We can use the data in the function. The bill, the gaps, all the same. In the bill section, we use the OPP inheritance principle. Inheritance allows the creating of new class subclass based on the extending class parent class. Here is the parent class. Here is the subclass. Here is subclass. A subclass can extend or modify the function of parent class and can also add their own unit function. Inheritance implement could reuse as the extension, avoid repeated running similar code, and improve code responsibility and scalability. In the overall calculation, we use the polymorphic principle of OPP. For example, the activity. We use the override function to calculate the activity price, the person number, and the times. Polymorphic improves the code flexibility and scalability, making the system easier to modify and expand. So that's all our system.
There is two types of condition in our system. So first one is I will demo where we are not in the safe zone. Press enter. Personal information. So if we type the wrong format of our mobile number, it will appear an error message. So we type the correct one. IC also, it will appear a error message. So now I will show where we are not in the safe zone. So have you been in contact? Yes. No. Yes. So as long as one of the 4 questions shows that we are not in the safe zone, we are not allowed to visit Breezy Island. So now I will start to demo our system where we are in a safe condition. Press enter. So here is the same. Enter my personal information. Since I'm in a safe zone, so I'm allowed to visit a Breezy Island. So press 1 to enter the main menu. Here is our main menu. We can choose any one of these to book our ticket. First one is a flight, so we choose for KIA, Asia, first class. So we book for 2 tickets, and here is the flight details, which is 480. If we are booking wrongly, so we can press 2 to book another flight. So again, we choose for KIA, Malaysia Airlines, first class. Now we book for 4 tickets. So the price is 960. Confirm booking. Go back to main menu. So now we go for hotel booking. We choose the Hotel Blue Family Pack and 1 package. So the price is 240 ringgit. Confirm booking. So we go for charges and bill. Here we can see that the price for flight and the hotel is added into our bill, and the total charge is also changes. Since we want to book some more, which is the cab and the activity, so we go back to the main menu. The third choices. And here only have 2 choices. If we type for 3, it will show an error message which is invalid selection. So now we choose for standard cab. We book for 3 days. Automatic model, and the total price is 450 ringgit. Press 1 to confirm the booking. Press 1 to go back. The last one is activity management. We choose for the snorkeling. First one, we book for 4 people. Confirm booking. Go back. Okay. Now we can see all the courses is added into the bill, and the total charge is changes. Like if we want to book some more others activities, we can go back to the main menu and fourth choice. Now we want to book for the sailing activity. Choose for the third time. Also book for 4 people. Press 1 to confirm the booking. Press 1 to go back. And now we go for the charges and bill. And here we can see that the activity for sailing and snorkeling is added at here. So now the total charge is 2,530 ringgit. And we can choose to print the bill. And your receipt is successfully printed. Press 1 to go back. After we are successfully booking for flight, hotel, cabs, and also the activity, we now can exit the system. And at here, we can see the receipt. Here is the receipt we printed just now. And that's all for our demonstration. Thank you.
The summary of the project is the Tourist Management System project aimed to develop a comprehensive software solution using the OOP principles in C++. The system was designed to automate the various processes in the tourist industry, such as the hotel booking, cab booking, flight booking, and activities booking. Through this project, our goal was to create a modular and extensible software system that improves the efficiency of the tourists to book their trips in the breezy islands with enjoyables, conveniently, and safely. So the challenge that we face is implementing the OP in the tourist management system poses several challenges that requires careful consideration. One challenge that was design an efficiency class hierarchy to model the different entities in the system, such as customer and their bookings and bills. So we had to ensure the proper encapsulation of data and behavior within the classes and establish the appropriate relationships such as inheritance and compositions to represent the real world relationship accurately. Another challenging was managing object interaction and maintaining data consistency across different modules of the system. We have to carefully handle the data synchronization, implement error handling mechanism, and manage the memory allocation and the allocation to avoid the memory leaks of other resource related issue. So the lesson that we learned is working with OOP in C++ provide us with valuable insight into software design and development. Firstly, we learn the importance of creating the well-defined class interface that encapsulate the data and behavior. This allows us to achieve the code reusability and maintainability, as well as facilitating collaboration among the team members working on different parts of the system. Additionally, we realize the significance of adhering to the principles of encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism, as they help us to create a flexible and scalable code base. We also discover the value of true testing and debugging, as it allows us to identify and fix the issue related to the object interactions, memory management, and data integrity. Lastly, we recognize the importance of documenting the design decisions and code implementation to facilitate the future maintenance and enhance of the system. So in conclusion, the tourist management system project provides us with hands-on experience in applied OOP principles in C++. The challenging that we face in design the class hierarchy, managing the object interactions, and ensure the data consistently expand our knowledge of OOP concept and software design. Through the project, we learn the significance of encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism in creating the modular and reusable codes. The experience also highlights the importance of rigorous testing, debugging, and documentation to maintain the code quality and facilitate the future maintenance. Overall, the project enriches our understanding of OOP in C++ and prepare us for future endeavors in software development, particularly in the domain of tourist management system. That's all for our project. Thank you.